How to deactivate or delete your Instagram account, 2026. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to either temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your Instagram account step by step. So if you want to take a break from Instagram or remove your account completely, just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap the three lines menu in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down until you find the Accounts Center option and tap on it. Inside Accounts Center, tap on Personal Details. Next, select Account Ownership and Control. Here you will see two options, deactivation or deletion. Tap on that option and choose the Instagram account you want to manage. Now you can choose one of the following options. If you want to temporarily deactivate your account, select Deactivate Account. This will hide your profile, photos, and comments until you log back in again. If you want to permanently delete your account, select Delete Account. Keep in mind that this option will permanently remove your profile, photos, videos, and messages. After choosing the option you want, tap Continue. Instagram may ask you to enter your password and select a reason for leaving. Once you confirm, your request will be submitted. And that's it. That's how you can temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your Instagram account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.